Let me share with you all how I prepare this quick, delicious egusi soup without palm oil. If that sounds something interested, keep watching. Place the pot on the heat and go ahead and add some vegetable oil. Allow the oil to heat up. Once it's heated up, add some locust beans and stir fry it for about a minute or so, just to add flavor into the oil. At this point, you can add some diced onion, but personally, I didn't like to add diced onion in my egusi soup. I prefer to blend the egusi with onion, alright? A minute later, I added the blended egusi and the onion into the pot. I give it a quick stir, cover the pot and allow to cook for about 3 minutes. Three minutes later, I open the pot and I give the egusi a quick stir so it doesn't burn. I cover it back again and allow to cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. And at this point, the egusi is looking so good, alright? Because I didn't want the egusi to have lumps, alright? I went ahead and had my smoky pepper. I have a video on how I make this pepper, alright? You can check out my channel. I had bitter leaf as well. Stir everything together. Add some water into the blender and then I mix everything together. I pour that into the soup as well. Added some beef stock as well and seasoning powder and salt. Feel free to add any seasoning of your choice. I give it a quick stir before I go ahead and add the protein. I'm making use of beef and shaki. Feel free to add whatever you have at home, alright? I noticed that the soup is too thick for my liking. I went ahead and add a little bit of water to that as well. Give it a quick stir, cover the pot and allow to cook. At this point, the egusi soup is almost done and it's looking so good already. Let me know in the comment section, have you ever cooked egusi soup without palm oil? Leave a comment below. I just went ahead and give it a quick stir so it doesn't burn. Once I stir everything together, I taste for seasoning. Everything was perfect. And then I go ahead and add some frozen spinach. I stir everything together really well. I cover it again and allow to cook until it's completely done. At this point, the egusi soup is perfectly cooked. I just give it a final good stir and it is ready. Go ahead and enjoy with any fufu of your choice. I hope you guys like the recipe, and if you do, please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!